Federal High Court orders Emir Sanusi eviction. State court halt enforcement. A federal high court sitting in Kano has ordered the eviction of the reinstated Emir of Kano, Muhammadu Sanusi II, from Guda Rufa Palace. The court also ordered the police to ensure all rights and privileges due to the 15th Emir of Kano, Aminu Bayero, be given to him. Recall that the Emir Bayero was deposed last week following the passage of the amended Kano Emirate Council Bill into law and its eventual assent by Governor Abba Yusuf. The presiding judge, Justice S.A. Amo Bida, who gave the ex parte order on Tuesday, stated that the order was made in the interest of justice and maintaining peace in Kano. The order states an order of interim injunction restraining the respondents either by themselves, their agent, servant, privies, or any other person or authority from inviting, arresting, detaining, threatening, intimidating, harassing the applicant, raiding, tampering with, or visiting the applicants to arrest or infringe on his right, or in any other way infringe or attempt to infringe the applicant's rights, pending the hearing and determination of the originating motion. An order restraining the third, fourth, and fifth respondents and all other respondents from denying the applicant to use his official residence and palace at the Emir Palace, Kofa Kudu, as well as enjoying of all rights and privileges accrued to him by virtue of being Emir of Kano State, and to evicting anybody residing within the palace illegally, pending the hearing and the determination of the originating summons. The suit was adjourned to June 4, 2024 for a hearing. This is coming shortly after a state high court presided over by Justice Amina Adamu Aliyu granted an order restraining the eviction of Emir Sanusi II. The judge held that an order of interim injunction is hereby granted restraining the respondent either by themselves, their agent, privies, representatives, and assigns from further harassing, intimidating, inviting, arresting, and or invading the personal or official residence of the applicant, his servants, and or any of the Kano Emirate kings makers of doing such acts that would be capable of interfering with the applicant's right, generally in relation to this suit, pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice. That an order of interim injunction is hereby granted, restraining the respondents from attempting to hijack, pick, commandeer, complicate any of twins pair of authority, the royal hat of Dabo, the ostrich feather shoe, the knife, the sword of the Emir of Kano, as well as symbols of authority, pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice. That an order of interim injunction is hereby made, restraining the respondent from taking further steps in connection with the matter or maintaining status quo of staying all action pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice. That it is further order that the respondents are restraining from interfering with the functions and duties of the first applicant as the Emir of Kano, pending the hearing and the determination on notice dated 28 May 2024. Interesting. This is becoming interesting. Guys, dear hearers, listeners, this is indeed very funny. Let us listen to the comments. There's a comment here. It says, laugh out loud, very funny. See how respected seats are being toyed with. Of course. Yeah. The Nigerian judiciaries are the most useless judiciary in the world. That's another comment from someone. Very corrupt, controlled by the president, useless country. That's a comment from someone. Another comment here says, lawlessness begins inside our judicial system. Yeah, we have so many comments here. The question really is, if one may ask, the state court, High Court of Kano passed a judgment, and within 1 week, the Federal High Court is also passing a judgment. It is now a battle between state High Court and the Federal High Court. A battle between the former governor and this present governor. A battle between the former Emir and this present Emir. Who is going to win in this battle? Let us watch and see how the whole thing is going to end. Guys, follow us for more updates. The battle is becoming interesting. You can't afford to miss out. Comment, share, follow us on our media page for more stories.